Okay people, so today in front of me I have two interactive cables. Now these cables are from mobfree. These are their PixelCables. Now I know that there are other companies out there that make similar products to this, but what kind of video would this be if I talked about other companies when mobfree so graciously sent these over to me to talk about?
Want to see some love? It's love day. I'm showing people love out here on the court.
What's going on YouTube? Nicholas here with Tech Love TV, where we don't discriminate and we believe all tech deserves some love. And I am glad to finally be back in the studio recording videos, what I love to do for you, the viewer. Okay, so you can find these right now on Kickstarter and Indiegogo. They've already been fully backed. Like I said, I am pretty late with this video. It was fully backed since May. I do believe that these go into, they'll start shipping these out in June of this year. As you can see right here on the Kickstarter website, you do have your sample video up top, but you cannot, I haven't been able to find out where exactly to buy from the Kickstarter. So you have your rewards and your add-ons and stuff right here, but I can't seem to click on anything right there. But I did notice if I click on read more about the campaign right here, it takes me to another page, and then it says you can also pre-order on the Indiegogo demand. So I click on that. It takes me to the Indiegogo website, and then this is where you can go in here and you can click on these items at the bottom right here. So if you click on the first one, it'll take you to the payment page and you can select your color and stuff like that. If you're watching this video, and I want to say if it's before the middle of the June time frame, you probably have to go through Indiegogo to order these. I'm not sure exactly when they'll go live on the mobfree website. The benefit of go ahead and pre-ordering these through the Indiegogo website, as you can see, one cable will be around $29, two cables $56, three cables $75. You have an all-in-one charging bundle right here for $100, and then 5 cables for about $120. And the reason why I bring that up is because when I was told when these are ready to go to retail, a single cable will be going for around $50. But right now you'll get around 41% off if you went ahead and purchased this early cable right here. And then also they said if you send a message to support@mobfree.com or send them a message through Kickstarter and let them know that you saw this video on my page, they'll throw in this free case right here at the bottom. I'm not sure if they were just saying that to gas me up, to let you guys know, to entice you guys to go over there and pick that up, but that's what they showed me. I'll put the links, I'll put all the information down in the description below. So these do come in two different types of cables. You have your USB Type-C to USB Type-C. You will be able to get up to 100 wattage of power out of this cable right here, and then you have your USB Type-C to Lightning. This is for your Apple heads, and I think the max wattage that you can get out of here is 20 watts. So this USB Type-C to USB Type-C, this is more for your Android community with your USB Type-C charging port, or if you want to buy this to charge up your computers or your iPads or your tablets, whatever, this is obviously the better option. If you just want to use this to charge up your iPhone, then you have to go with this USB Type-C to Lightning cable. Like I said earlier, it's only 20 wattage of power. And these do come in two different colors. You have your dazzling black and you also have your pearl white. And you can switch these up. So if you want your USB Type-C to USB Type-C in pearl white, you can get it as well in pearl white. Or if you want the USB Type-C to Lightning in dazzling black, you can do that as well. So very quickly, some of the specs on the construction of these cables. They are available in a length of 6 feet. They are nylon braided, withstand 30,000 bends, holds up to 175 pounds, premium zinc alloy connectors, OLED display, 88 by 48 pixels, so you're not going to get the most outstanding screen, but it's a screen nonetheless. You'll be able to do various things with them, and I'll get into more of that when I start talking about the app. And you also get an MCU inside of here, which is for intelligent power control. Okay, so what MCU is, it says right here, PixelCable has a built-in MCU chip for intelligent power control. It will auto-detect attached charging devices and automatically adjust the current output to the highest level permitted, extending the battery life of your device. With the OLED display cable, you are fully informed of the charging power output status and easily get to know whether your device is fast charging or not. And there is a quick note at the bottom right here that I do want to mention, and I can explain it more once I get inside the app, but it says you need to disconnect the PixelCable with app to display real-time voltage. So what that means is that when this cable is hooked up to your phone and you have the app running, you need to disconnect the cable from the app to actually display the voltage.
What the hell did you just say?
And I'll get into that here in a little bit. So that's pretty much it for the construction and build quality and all the specs on these cables. Let me go ahead and hook these up and show you exactly what they look like and show you how to customize these cables inside of the app. What you want to do is download this QCharger app right here. So I already downloaded it. I'm going to click inside of that. Here is the splash screen, how it charges or how it comes up. It will show you your battery percentage as it is currently, your 3 lines at the top left. It gives you languages, device information, and device information is the Bluetooth version of the actual app, not the device information of your phone. You have your alerts right here. You can turn that on and off. Prompt tone, vibration. It says charging interrupter reminder. You get a prompt tone or vibration, full battery reminder, prompt tone and vibration, and you hit this plus button over here, and that's how you connect one of these cables to the actual app. So let me go ahead and hook this up. And as you can see immediately, as I hooked it up, I already customized it. As you can see, it says my name right here, Nicholas, to adjust what you want that to say. If you hit that plus button on the right side, it will bring up this menu right here. You turn the QCharger on, so you hit connecting, and so now it's connecting. And a firmware upgrade is in preparation. And that's a good thing about having an app with these cables is that mobfree, they can go ahead and send firmware updates to these cables whenever they want, so it keeps it current and up to date. So go ahead, sit back, relax. I'm gonna let this update and I'll get back to you in a second. Okay, so now that that's hooked up, and as you can see, I connected this to the actual phone. So as you can see, it's showing me at 78%. It's not giving me the charging output right now, but if I hit this disconnect, go ahead, hit disconnect. Now it shows me the charging output, and it has a bunch of, I want to say this might be, I don't know what language this is. Maybe it's Mandarin, or Korean or Japanese. I'm not sure. So, and no disrespect, I just don't know. And as you can see, I did disconnect it, and it's showing the wattage. So that note that I showed you earlier, if you disconnect the app from the cable, then it will show wattage to how much it's charging at, which I'm showing right here. But if you connect the app to the cable through the, if you connect the app through the cable, then hit yes, it will automatically change. Let me see. And it will show you your percentage and whatever message that you want right there. So that's how you adjust that. That's what that note was for that I read earlier. You click the 3 lines on the left side again. You do startup animations. You can pick different animations that you want. You have a microphone right here. And as you see, as soon as I tap the microphone right there, it actually changed to the microphone. So if I were to take it, unplug this and plug it back in, the startup animation will be that microphone. And at the bottom you have fixed, left, right. And so when I do left, you could see that it's scrolling from, I want to say, left to right, or to the left, and then the right is the same one. I do like that as well. And then you also have this slider at the bottom, and then it adjusts exactly how fast that the microphone or whatever image you have at the bottom, it slides. So that's what this slider at the bottom is for. So you have a microphone, I want to say that's a chicken, a car, you got some fish, you got hearts, you got some pumpkins right there. I'm gonna go ahead and just leave it right there. And then you also have some live animations. As you click on these different ones, these are the things that will show up in the cables. And then you also have your text. So what I want my text to say, let's just say, please subscribe. Please subscribe. That's it. And then there you go. It's just that simple. Please subscribe. There you go. At the top right, you can switch the orientation of it. So if I click it one time, it's going to be horizontal. But if I click it again, one time, it will be vertical, as you can see right there. If I disconnect the cable from the charger and then unplug it, And let's see, if I plug it back in, my animation should automatically play. See, there goes your animation. I think it stays on there for maybe 5 to 10 seconds. I don't think it stays on there the entire time because it will eventually cut off and actually show you what it's charging at since it's not connected to the app right now. And it's the same exact thing inside of iOS. So let me go ahead and show you a couple of other things. So I have some AirPod Pros right here. So if I plug the AirPod Pros in, I already customized this cable right here. So it just shows you, let me see if we can, it says Tech Love the channel. So that's with the lightning cable right here. Eventually what this will do, the animation will stop moving on here and it will show you the wattage. Here we go, it stops. So there's the wattage right there. It's charging at 0.7 watts. Obviously it's a lot slower. It's just AirPods Pro. And let me go ahead and try some other headphones. And with the USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable right here, like I said, it's up to 100 wattage. So I can also go ahead and charge up my laptop. And as you can see, these are being charged at 1.9 watts. And let me go ahead and give you another example right here of my iPad. And as you can see right here, this USB to USB Type-C, let me try to get this. And as you can see right here, this USB to USB Type-C is charging my iPad up at 20.1 watts right now. So it is fast charging my iPad. And yeah, people, that's pretty much it. I covered both different types of cables, USB Type-C to USB Type-C, USB Type-C to Lightning. This is for everybody actually, because I think that eventually maybe next year the new iPhone in 2024 or 2023 whatever will be USB Type-C charging as well. This is for your Apple heads right now. Obviously, you have an app on both Android and iOS. Like I showed you, you have different alerts inside the app. You can change animation, you can add text, you can make this just a little bit more personal. If you want to give these cables to a friend as a gift or something, go ahead and hook these up to the app on your phone and then plug it in and I don't know, say happy birthday or whatever. That's all I got for you people. That was my review on mobfree's PixelCable, their interactive charging cable. Love this cable, very, very dope. It's like a breath of fresh air when it comes to the charging cable world. They're not the only ones doing it, but they are one of the first that are doing it. So I love everything about this cable. You have your upgradable firmware, you have the app inside of here, the MCU chip, you have your different colors, very, very durable. And all I can say is that I honestly can recommend this cable for you. That's all I got for you people. As always, thanks for stopping by the Tech Love channel. My name is Nicholas and I'm out. Peace.